Thought I'd do a quick recording using Final Cut Pro. I came across this issue where I had entered my video in here, but then it was the wrong one, and I needed to put another one in which had the right clips in it. And then I had the issue of every time I deleted this, it would take the whole music away, and I didn't want to have the problem and spend the time of recutting the music. So I found a way of doing it. I'm working on a Mac, and if I press that shift button and highlight that, so I've got the whole thing highlighted, then I press Control. Then what I want to do is I want to lift it from the storyline. So it gives me a space. And if I then think, oh, I'm going to bring this down here, it doesn't work. You see what happens there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. That's okay. And I'm going to get rid of that as well. And it drops this down. So I still can't add this clip to there because that happens. So what I do is I highlight that and I delete it, and then I lose it all. So if I go to Edit, Undo Delete, go back, then you go into the clip that you want, press Control, and then what you want to do is overwrite to primary storyline, and it attaches it to it. So I hope that's been of help.